Hi everybody, I have got my darling granddaughters here and I want to introduce them to you because they are going to be my helpers today in making lemon cookies. I have been so excited. Well, I've been craving lemon anything, and I was thinking about doing a pie, and then when the girls said they were going to come, I thought, no, let's do lemon cookies today. This is Olivia. Olivia Holine. This is Bonnie and Joel's daughter. And this is Emma DeRue, and she is Julie and Landon's daughter.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my YouTube.
Yeah.
Their parents both have vlogs. I'll leave those links in the description below. So let's get started. Right, we're going to start with, where's your recipes? We're going to start with 1.5 cups of flour. So one of you girls run get some flour in that. There you go. I keep my flour down here on the floor in these big buckets. And we need 1.5 cups flour.
1/2 teaspoon baking powder.
Yeah, 2 pinches. Yeah, it's good to mix that together. Okay, so that's it for the dry ingredients. Let's go on to the wet. All right, now we need a stick of butter.
Just slide that in.
Yep. Room temperature. And Emma, go grab us a cup of sugar. We beat that together with a cup of sugar. You what?
I like to play with like soft butter, like whenever like I'm baking anything, I will put it in there and I'll just like play with it. It's just fun for some reason.
Can you bring the bowl over here?
Oh yeah, this one.
Is it easier to bring the bowl to you than it is the sugar to the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Not sugar butter.
Right to my knee.
Yeah. Nice. It's a good full of sugar. Okay. I don't know how yours works, but do I click run?
Yeah, I just put it on slow for a minute and then
That's
you can
fast.
speed it up. Okay, what's next, Em?
The egg.
Sure.
Oh.
Okay, now we need to zest that.
Okay, into here?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep.
So just do like the outside, not too in. So it's
Right.
not like hard.
You've done this before. If you go too deep, it's
Not
a
the
little
best.
bitter.
Yeah, bitter. That's what I was trying to say. That smells so good. Smell it? It's like hard. Try moving at different spots now.
Yes, then we want to use the juice of that lemon. So girls, go ahead and
Yeah, it's so pretty.
put it into here so we can strain out the seeds. And I don't have one of those cool things that you use. So just, do you guys have one at your house?
Wow.
You do?
I don't.
Do you, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, well we're gonna have to do it by hand today.
You know
And then
what?
we'll dig out the seeds.
Okay.
I don't think there is.
Jeez, that's a lot. Come on. People should look at the end.
Weak.
It's gonna squirt your water. You can flip it around like me doing.
Do you want Olivia to give it another squeeze?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love the way the lemon makes your hands smell.
Smells like fresh, clean.
Even though I haven't washed my hands.
And I do I should look. Wait till me. Oh. Like this. How's that work? Cool. Should I put it down here?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and mix that up, Emma.
She's eating her lemon.
Oh, but this is optional. You can put,
Do you want to mix it first and then we put it in?
nah, just put it in.
You want to do it? Okay.
Just a few drops. And that is definitely optional. It's yellow food coloring. Doesn't look yellow, does it?
No, it looks orange.
Yep.
You can see where that goes. Yeah. Okay, you sure it's kind of scary? It's one wrong. I'll clean up the bowl first. I'm gonna grab some stuff. Ooh, that's like nice.
So now I am going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour, 45 minutes. But this batch of lemon cookie dough does not make very many cookies. Not enough for us at this house anyway. So I made up the dough before they got here, the girls got here. And so I'm gonna put this one in the refrigerator and get the other one out. And we will just keep making cookies from here.
Yes, I want you to take turns.
What?
2.
Some of my fondest memories when I was a little girl was making cookies at my grandma's home.
Really?
With my sister and my cousins. We would make molasses cookies a lot. That's what my grandpa liked, and so we would do a lot of molasses cookies with my grandma.
What
Yeah.
did you say?
You know what grandma I'm talking about? The one where the one by the ditch? Yeah.
Their houses were all so pretty and cute.
Yeah. Just old-fashioned kind of feel, huh? Does your mom say that a lot? Clean up?
Yeah, when I used to start baking, now I'm just like, well, if I don't wash the dishes, then I'm in trouble. So.
She doesn't have to tell you anymore, is that what you're saying? No fun to make cookies and leave a mess.
Yeah.
Okay, which one of you is going to pull them out of the oven?
I guess me?
Emma, are you going to have... You, I think that's you, girl.
Yeah. Sir. Oh, these are pretty.
Well, your grandma Holleen made those for me.
Oh. Cool. I usually just use one whenever I do it.
You just use one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Move my hair out of the way. You sure they're done? There's a mitt under it.
These look nice.
Mm-hmm.
How come this one back there looks sugarier?
We can also add some on top.
Yeah.
I can go do that.
Well, if you want to.
First cookie.
And I know Grandpa, he needs 3 or 4.
Don't we all?
These look really good though.
Yeah. Are you excited, Emma?
Okay, I have a story really quick first. When I was about your age, my grandpa, that morning, he got up to go out to work in the field and he says, Jennifer, long around 1 o'clock, can you bring me a quart of water? Oh yeah, I thought that'd be great. I'll bring you out a quart of water. He was on the tractor all day. It's hot and dry. And anyway, I got playing with my cousins. I forgot.
Oh, no.
And that night when he came in, he looked so parched and so tired, and I felt so bad that I just got off playing with my cousins, but that has haunted me my whole life, and I know he's forgiven me for it. But yeah. The other thing that I used to do when I would go to my grandma's house, we were awful. Us kids were awful. You guys aren't anything like I was. You're so much better. But we would go through her house and we would find little treasures all the time. And
That's what we did when we got here.
Did you? We would find something like this, you know, and we'd go in, Grandma, is it okay if I take this home with me? So, just little memories.
It's pretty.
So let's take Grandpa a treat.
I thought you were gonna bake him cookies also and take it to him.
I was waiting for you to say, I was sad, so I baked him a lot of cookies. I was waiting for that.
Me too.
Take Grandpa.
Okay, bye-bye.
What happened?
Oh, nothing. What happened? I'm getting treats from both of you?
From one of us.
Oh, well, who's getting the other one?
Grandma.
That's
Oh,
mine.
Okay, well, very good.
Lemon cookies.
Now, did you help Grandma make these, Emma?
Yeah.
I would pretty much say they made
They
them.
made them? Oh boy, this is going to be even better then.
I didn't do any of it. Yeah.
Oh,
You know what's more important than ingredients, and that's love.
Yeah.
When you're making
You
something.
got lots of, okay.
Mmm.
I
Well, these are
haven't-
the lemon cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mmm.
Mm.
Yeah. Really, really
Girls,
good.
go over there by Grandpa. I'll take a picture
No.
of you. No.
Not too tart. Just a hint of lemon. Chewy, not crunchy. You didn't burn them. Very good. Yeah. Well, thank you. This is so yummy to have a nice treat in the middle of the afternoon.
Do you really like them? I mean,
Oh, yeah.
do you like? Well, there you have it then. The lemon cookies are a thumbs up. So don't forget to give these girls a thumbs up.
Yummy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
1 second.
Well, the mamas showed up and the girls started showing their moms everything, and they said, you recorded all this, right?
Well, it was so cute. I said, did you show that you wrote out your recipe card? Because that is so cute that you wrote out the recipe and then
For each of them.
Yeah, and each girl wrote out their own. So I've got Grandma's handwriting and the kids' handwriting.
Well, and I told them that they are super cheap cookies to make.
Aw, fun.
And did you show these?
I think I did.
Okay.
Where did they come from?
eBay.
Well, they're darling.
So cute.
Fun day. We've had a fun day. I know I've already closed the vlog once, but I'll close it again. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.